Hi guys, welcome to my review of the AP Racing CP9660 caliper. Fitted to my car here, been on the car a little while now. They're a great caliper. Let me show you around, see what's going on. So here they are, AP Racing's Pro 5000 Radical caliper, specifically designed for motorsport use and not designed for road use. And I think the reason not designed for road use is because the pistons don't have outer dust shields like road calipers do, so therefore dust, road salt, etc. can get inside the pistons. But I think if they're kept clean, it shouldn't be too much of an issue to use them on the road. So here's the only problem I can find with calipers is they don't have spring retainer clips for the pads, so they do tend to knock around a little bit. However, there is a pad retainer kit available, which I've bought here. Let's stop the pads from rattling around and making some noise. So I'll leave a link in the description to these. The other really good thing about these calipers is the pad choice is quite varied. There's a lot of pad choice for the CP range of calipers. And actually, I've managed to buy a used set of BTCC front brake pads that fit into these calipers. Actually, the same place that they supplied the retainer clips. And they do really well. As you can see as you look into the caliper here, yes, stainless steel pistons that are staggered and look like crowns, and the reason for that is for airflow. The Radical calipers are really good for heat management. Another good thing about the Radical calipers is that they have two bleed nipples on each side of the caliper, and the reason for that is that it can be used either side of the axle. But the great thing about that is that when it comes time to change the brake fluid, you just open the bottom nipple and suck all the fluid out. Makes it super easy. Anyway, just get these new clips fitted up, see what they look like. Quite tricky to fit actually, because you have to sort of take the caliper off, put the retainers in first, and put the pads in from the back, because you have to push against the spring to get the pads to line up. A bit of a pain. Actually, put the springs in the wrong way round, as you'll see from the picture in a minute. So I'll have to take the caliper off and do it all over again. Oh, silly me. Anyway, just a short review of the AP Racing calipers. Are they worth it? I think they are. The pad choice is quite varied. They deal with temperature, heat management really well. They're lightweight, and they're a great finish to the caliper. They're hard wearing. I just think they do you many years of good service. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. See you next time. Take care.